Hi and welcome to Sounds Heavenly. So we're at Bang & Olufsen of Cambridge today. The aim is to go and find out just exactly what this new soundbar, Beosound Stage, can actually do in practice. Wow, brilliant. So we've actually got the stage here in the box, ready to open up. So let's have a look. I must admit, it's a really nice box, isn't it? Everything has had effort and time put into it. So we've got the template to mount it. So that's potentially the top line of the template goes to the bottom of the TV screen, and then just two holes and it mounts on the wall.
Nice and simple.
Yeah. Let's see what we've got.
So we actually do this
Wow.
in three finishes. The one that we're using today is the smoked oak.
Yep.
So quite beautiful, really.
It's very heavy as well. I really didn't expect such weight and heft to it. That's really, really nice.
It is Bang & Olufsen.
Of course, yes. So let's have a look at how this would be wall mounted. In this case, we've got it on a wooden table stand. There are two very useful things supplied with the stage. One is the key to remove the fabric grille, and the other, as you may have seen when we opened the box, is the template. So nice and easy, we've got a picture frame TV here. If we were to mount this on the wall, what we would do is centre this with the top of the template lined up with the bottom edge of the TV, and then you can literally just drill through the two holes after marking them, and everything then is lined up for ideal positioning both for sound and visually. The key is really useful, so don't lose this. And to open basically remove the grille, if you want to see the speaker drivers or change the grille, what you do is insert this with the end level with the wood frame, turn it through 90 degrees, and bracing against the frame, just very gently pull, and it will unclip itself, and do the same again, turn it through 90 degrees, just slide it along, and with just a gentle pull it will then start to come loose. And the key here is just to pull every so often along the frame. That way you're not bending the mountings of the frame. There we go. And here we can see what makes the stage so special. So we've got 4 bass drivers. We've got the smaller mid drivers and tweeters for a full 3-channel system. We've got the outer mid and tweeters angled upwards when the unit's on the wall, so then it's firing sound up and forwards to you. And conversely, when it's mounted on the table, you actually rotate it round through 180 degrees so that instead of firing back towards the wall, those speakers will again fire upwards and forwards at 45 degrees. So we've got the cables connected, we've got everything in position ready to go, so let's see how it sounds. This is where it gets interesting. You can use a power link to mini jack cable to send sound from an older Beosystem, so something like Beosound 9000, Beosound 3200. So Stage can replace a Beolab 7 and become your left and right front centre speaker, so a stereo centre. You won't get the full benefit of the audio processing when you're working through this way, but you will get superb sound. This really is shaping up to be quite a game changer for Bang & Olufsen. So here we're producing a bass tone that we will drop lower and lower in frequency to test the response of the stage. Through mid-bass we're getting about 90 to 95 decibels. Let's see how low we can go before that falls away. Well, I really didn't expect to see results like that. Bang & Olufsen are correct, the Stage does not require an external subwoofer. It almost matches B&O's own Beolab 2 for bass extension. I must stress that this is not a precise laboratory test. These checks were done in a working B&O store in a busy city centre, but they're intended to give you a flavour of just what the Stage can do. Many thanks to Paul at Bang & Olufsen of Cambridge for kindly hosting this video. Please get in touch with Paul if you want to sample this incredible speaker for yourself. If you've got any questions about connecting your own products to the Stage, please get in touch. You'll see my contact details in the video description, or you can go straight to the website at soundsheavenly.com. I'll be happy to help.